In this video, I'm going to show you the official method to create a macOS Tahoe Bootable USB drive. This step-by-step guide works perfectly on the latest Apple Silicon Macs as well as older Intel-based Macs. By the end of this video, you will have a powerful macOS Tahoe USB installer. You can use it to perform a clean install to speed up your Mac or upgrade multiple Macs without re-downloading gigabytes of data every single time. The only requirement for this process is a USB drive that's at least 32 GB or larger. In my case, I'm using a 250 GB external SSD for faster speeds. Now keep in mind, everything on this drive will be erased, so make sure you back up anything important. You will also need a stable internet connection to download the macOS Tahoe installer. Now that said, let's start by downloading the macOS Tahoe installer. For demonstration purposes, I will be using an M4 MacBook Air. To download the Tahoe installer, open Terminal and run the software update command with the option to list all available installers. This will show every macOS version available for download. Look for macOS Tahoe in the list. At the time of making this video, macOS Tahoe 26.2 is the latest version. You can also see older versions like Sequoia available for download. To download the macOS Tahoe installer, run this command to fetch the full installer and specify the version number. You can replace this version with any other available version. For example, if you want Sequoia, you can enter 15.7.3. But for now, we are downloading Tahoe, so simply type the version number, which in this case is 26.2. Now the download will begin. The macOS Tahoe installer is around 18 gigs in size, so it may take a while depending on your speed of the internet. So go ahead and grab a drink and don't interrupt your Mac during the process. Once the download is complete, you will find the macOS Tahoe installer inside your Applications folder. It's time to format the USB drive. Go ahead and connect your USB drive or external SSD to your Mac and open Disk Utility. Then make sure Show All Devices is enabled. Then from the sidebar, select your USB drive, click Erase, and name it as USB. Then choose macOS Extended Journal as the format and Guide Partition Scheme. Then click Erase. Now that being said, let's create the bootable USB installer for macOS. Open your web browser and visit Apple's official installer command page. Now from here, look for Tahoe and copy the entire terminal command. Then open Terminal and paste the command and replace MyVolume with USB, which is the name of the drive we just formatted. Then press Return. Type Y to confirm. And allow your terminal to access your USB drive. Now this process may take some time depending on the speed of your drive. Do not unplug the drive or close the terminal window until you see the message Install Media now available and the terminal returns to a fresh prompt. Congratulations! you have successfully created a macOS Tahoe Bootable USB installer. Now let me show you how to boot actually from this drive. This process depends entirely on which Mac you are using. If you are using a Tahoe compatible Intel-based Mac, just go ahead and plug in the USB drive and restart your Mac and hold the Option key until it boots into the Startup Manager. If you are using Apple Silicon, first shut down your Mac completely. Then press and hold the power button for a few seconds until you see loading startup options. This will open Startup Manager. Now from here, select macOS icon and use it to perform a clean install on your Mac. And that's how you properly create a bootable USB with macOS Tahoe. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This is been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.